welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to be doing a slime video. And today I'm here with
Tarnys.
And we've already made these slimes and they're kind of overactivated.
Oh, and don't forget to look at our music, please.
Yeah,
I kind of got like a cold, kind of.
I'm pretty sure her account is Tarny 2008.
I'll go find my tablet and I'll find out. You take
Yeah,
care.
and mine is a Pug Lover 2548 with a capital P and no spaces. I might have a private account, so that would kind of, yeah.
There's my music, TikTok, kind of.
If you watch this and you're going to follow our accounts, comment down your username in the comments so we know that it's one of our fans.
This is no network connection. Come on!
I'm guessing, oh yeah, we have a new thing. So yeah.
Anyway. Well, let's get on to the video.
Oh, okay. Okay. So.
Why does this feel so weird?
This is my bowl. We've got the phone.
Oh, sorry about this.
And our activator. And our glitter. And her bowl.
Our favourite part.
Yeah.
And this is some ALOUD school glue. We found our spotlight. Let's just put our slimes here.
I thought this was yours for a second.
Mine's lighter than yours. I think I'm okay.
It kind of looks like it has glue in it already.
Ruby, tell the story about how you got hit in the eye with a Nerf bullet.
So one day, like last week, me and my dad went to the supermarket, and I thought I should prank my brother and shoot him in the back of the head. But then Dad's like, "Let me get a gun too." And I'm like, and then he's like, "Probably not in the back of the head." Yeah. Eventually, we shot him, whatever. And then me and my dad, like the night after or something, we were like
Having a war.
War at nighttime with them in there, and then he shot me.
Okay, that's enough.
And
In the eyeball.
Yeah, in the eye.
Really bad. Okay. Well,
Add that at the end.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter. It's an obsession. You can
And
never
it's
go.
my favorite color.
You can never go wrong with glitter. Ruby has a ton of favorite colors. First, she loved red,
Red and like crazy, and we were in Spotlight once with my mum.
She grabbed everything red. She's like, "Can I have this?" And then next day, I love purple. It's my new favorite.
And then
color.
like a few months later, my favorite color is pink.
There's some glitter for you. Okay.
I get barely any. That really kicked out. Oh my god, look.
Sorry, guys. Let's just move over here. Where is it?
Okay.
This is mine. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know if they can see it. Sorry, guys, if you couldn't see that. I'm still getting used to the thing.
Okay, now do we add?
We mix it first. Where did my spoon go? Forgot it.
No, it's right here.
Let's mix it first.
I don't even know I'm mixing it.
Ruby has an obsession with everything.
Oh, it's so cute. It's stuck on my
You
spoon.
can barely tell that it's glitter. Okay, let's add the borax.
I need to mix mine. Mine's white. Need a little bit more.
Try not to add too much. Oh, I added too much.
I added too much glitter. It's still white.
Oh, I got rid of it. Oh. I was like, oh, there's too much borax.
Oh, this looks
Oh, it looks perfect.
Mine looks like just like yours, even though I added pretty much a lot more glue.
Yeah, I gave you a little more glue.
I mean,
Let me just move this.
glitter.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm not gonna put it.
I'm trying to make the screen good so they can see us. This is mine.
That's good enough, right? Yeah. I'm gonna start opening mine.
This is so much fun. Mine's actually filming.
Is that too much?
Don't think so.
Okay, that's good enough. I hope it's not too much. My face is in this. Yeah, that's kind of too much.
I think I added enough. Like, we know you can add, like, washing liquid? Like, Starflow and stuff. Some people call it Starflow. I get so annoyed by that. Do you think it's Starflow or Starflow, Ruby?
I'm not sure.
Oh, come on, I need answers. Ooh. I'm gonna start kneading mine. Awkward silence. Guys, we forgot to tell you, head over to our brother's channel.
Bobby_boy74.
I don't like the feeling of it.
The boy is B-O-I. B.
Just so you
B-O-I-I.
And he loves music videos. Just so you guys know, if you aren't swearers, just so you know, he does swearing. Music.
Kind of.
Do you mind adding some borax to this? I think I don't have enough borax. Just a little bit. A little bit. I didn't need that.
Looks like water.
I love this. How did Jason and Casey do this? Just so you guys know, Jason and Casey are both sisters, and in case you didn't watch the
We're
video.
both sisters too, now.
Yeah, Ruby snorts.
Especially the
I wasn't snorting, I got a runny nose. I think that's Odie.
It's probably just the wind. Yeah, it's just those things. Wait. Yeah, it's just those things.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
Guys, look at that.
I need
So yuck.
I need to shoot it in the clip.
I don't want to see.
Look at those things. They're going in the window. Right there. I wonder why that's happening. Yeah, good job. You, we'll be back in a second. Come look what we did.
Guys, just so you know, we might edit this out. Okay, bye. I didn't mean it. I put some... I told you it was disgusting. I put some slime on the ground. It's not my fault. Okay, I think this is sticky
It
enough.
looks like nothing happened now.
It feels so nice.
Mine's...
This actually feels really nice.
Mine feels like water. Well, I haven't even touched it yet.
Oh, guys, this is actually coming really.
Since it's really watery, should I add some more, whatever you call it?
Mr. D's cola.
Yeah.
No, guys, do not drink borax if you have borax in it. And anything like orange juice or something, never.
Well, if you make slime and like your little siblings like water and it's in a water bottle, your borax, whatever.
Keep an eye on it.
Yeah.
Literally, that's what I have to do.
Sorry, I just had to poke my slime. I loved my crunchy slime, even though it's like.
Oh, that sounds so good.
Can you move?
I need to go wash my hands. Come on. Just so you guys
Have you
know,
added your foam?
Ruby, there's a string of slime from my hands. Oh my god, it feels like I have a spider web on me.
Tan,
Spider web.
I'm feeling your slime.
Oh, don't feel it.
Sorry, I hope you didn't get any stuff in it.
My paper stuff. Shouldn't touch it. But then I got it more thick, so I know I won't overactivate it.
This is overactivated.
Really? Oh. Let's have the.
Let's add a little bit more glue, maybe. To mine.
You already have enough. Like I know how. You put slime on the roof once and kept doing.
It's love heart. Look,
Oh
it's
my-
melted into a love heart.
Oh my god.
looks so cool. Oh, god damn it, I just had an idea. What is something really thin? Why is your thing there? You can use a tea towel. Fold it up a little bit. And go like that. So it's like facing the ground.
Good job, Ruth. Okay, I think I need to use this tea towel because the slime just won't come off my hands.
That's good enough, right? Doesn't need to be perfect.
I'm just gonna add some little magic.
Look.
Guys, if you were wondering where Winchie lives, she said in one of her videos, just in case you're a Winchie fan, like we're giving advice to people and we're telling you about different YouTube channels. She lives in Sydney, apparently. It says on her video. Anyway.
That's something on my foot. I jumped.
Cover your mouth when you cough, kids. I'm not responsible.
Yeah.
Parental supervision when handling the scissors, kids. But we're kids, so. Who will we discuss? Who will we tell?
Move your slime right now.
Flip! Flip, flip, flip!
The borax just went everywhere.
Why? You're just as clumsy as me.
Last time it was her fault. No, it was my fault.
You just kept bumping the table. You need to clean that up. I can't clean it up. But I need to
not clean it up.
Oh, but then they won't be able to see the slimes.
You need to hide the slimes. Our precious slime.
Oh, oh!
What?
Why are we so clumsy?
What did you do?
I nearly just dropped my ball. Oh, it's so sticky. I hate this. But then it feels so good.
Move your stuff. Sorry, I just had to stick my hand in.
Oh! Ruby, there's some activator on the camera. Like not on the camera itself, but on the screen of the iPad. I need to get that. Just better not be on my.
Can we use this quickly? I need to get it off. Sorry, by the way, people's peeps.
We are so clumsy. Well, Ruby is. Like, we be clumsy a lot. I
know, we just built it again. These are dead. Let's just make these tea towels chill near the
Let's just add this to the table while we make some. No, then the slime would get stuck to it. Whoops.
There's a lot over there. Just keep it on there for a little bit until we're about to take. Oh no, you need to.
Yeah. Ooh. I'm so embarrassed right now.
Same.
Yeah.
Expectation versus reality.
Expression. Hey guys, we're totally cool. Reality.
I know. The glue.
Flick.
The water is spilled everywhere. I said water. It's borax.
Now who's the clumsy one? Still me.
I need to add some of these babies.
Oh, I have to do it over here? No. Because it's so hard to pick up when I get it on your hands. So guys, I'm going to be doing another.
Where's my little trusty spoon? You put my little trusty spoon. Seriously? Put my little trusty spoon away.
Okay, I think this is enough.
We're going to get in trouble once my dad comes home. I think. But once he comes back into the kitchen, since he's in, he's,
yeah. Yeah. What?
My dad is in the tattoo room.
Is he home already?
Yes, he's in the tattoo room. I just need to go tell my dad something. He must have went for a drive.
He just came. I know this looks like toothpaste, but you will be surprised of what comes upon it.
I think I'm adding too much.
Oh, no, I just put your hair in it again. Oh my god, now it's my hair and your hair. No, it's in my hand.
I'm adding so much.
Oh.
Dad,
I did
we had a little spillage of the borax.
Ruby did it.
Doesn't matter.
We cleaned it up though. And my butter slime is not coming together. I haven't even finished mixing it. It's
You
not-
need to knead it.
I can't because it got all over my hands like last time. It will probably get bored.
Yeah, eat some healthy food.
I've always wanted it, but Mum never
Fruit
gets
salad.
it. Yes. Fruit salads.
Oh.
Healthy.
Phew.
Vitamin.
This is like stretchy, kind of.
The good thing, there is no olives.
Wash it down with an unhealthy drink.
It's really cute.
I wish you got the orange. I've always wanted to have the orange, but then vanilla's my favorite. Let's just say we have weird obsessions. Let's put the lid on.
Dad, if you didn't notice, we're making a YouTube video.
Yeah.
Let's can't even open this.
Let's put this rubbish in there.
It's covered by plastic, which is wrong.
That's a weird, odd thing coming.
Coming home, yeah.
Mm,
Thank you. Oh my god, look at these.
First a slime video, and now it's a food channel.
Mm. What is that?
I love this. What did you just eat? The orange. That's rock melon.
Is that
I
orange?
think this is honeydew.
Mm,
Definitely watermelon.
of course. I'm gonna eat a blueberry.
Pineapple.
There's pineapple in this. I got a blueberry.
Pineapple's the best. Definitely. Melon's the second best.
They taste like grapes. Is this which one's watermelon? Is this pineapple? I meant.
Yes.
Which is pineapple? That's rock melon. That's rock melon. That's cantaloupe. That's orange. That's
They taste like grapes, but they're blueberries.
hmm.
Okay, let's just
That's pineapple.
Oh,
Pineapple. Rock melon.
Go away. We're not gonna make this channel into a food channel anymore.
Okay, let's go.
Should I start adding this?
I'm trying to add the thing.
Oh god. Should I start adding my thing?
Well, is it slime yet? Has to be underactivated. I think you can add it. Oh, okay, bye.
This has probably ruined it. Dad, mine's like water. I think I
That
have
should
to
be the
make mine again.
thumbnail. Nah.
I think I have.
This is not clickbait. When
Can I
clickbait
feel
is.
that?
Not yet.
Oh, mine's not coming together.
Don't add any more borax.
I added too much and it made us sneeze. It's like I added too much and it made us sneeze.
Guys, look at this. It feels so good.
Yeah, this really needs to be thrown in
It
the
makes
trash.
bubbles.
Can I feel it?
It was so underactivated. Isn't it good?
Look at mine, Dad.
Yay! Thumbnail!
Don't look at mine.
It looks so good.
Mine's not coming together.
Because you need to knead it with your hands.
Did you see the clay at the bottom?
You actually added the clay. I think you would. Good. Just see the glitter. That's you could like see it a little bit. That's all. Where's the towel?
We had to use 3 tea towels, you know, Dad. Yeah, this is like the most stupidest slime in the world.
Oh, feels so good.
Move the stupid thing.
You're like, I don't want to have you anymore, Borax. You've ruined it for me.
I just found it at the bottom.
Oh, that feels so
Warning, do not put your hands on the clay.
good. All your favorite singlets that you got for your birthday 2 years ago.
When you turned 28 years old. You know, we're actually 30 years old. And,
Yeah, we got dwarfism.
yeah. But we act like, I act like a 9-year-old and she acts like a 10-year-old.
Okay, guys, we're actually 10 and 9.
No, we're, I'm 12 and she's, 13.
Anyway, guys,
that's our actual age.
shout out to the dwarfism people who are watching this. We support you. What?
I'm itchy on my chin. Can you itch my chin? Up.
You're a dog.
A little to the left.
My left?
Left.
Or your left?
Okay,
You're like a little dog. You're like, oh, that's the spot behind the ear.
this
Okay,
is not fun.
This feels so nice.
Yeah, look at yours and look at mine.
Thumbnail, please.
No, the thumbnail would be like, you'll be like, be all happy, and I'll be like,
Anyway, guys, I need to get to my food since I'm already done. God.
should I start putting this on the table?
No.
This
What
is
is
probably
this? Pineapple.
This is probably not going to come together.
It has morphed into one.
This is not going to come together.
I swear that was honeydew.
Look how disgusting this is. Feel it.
Mm-mm.
It's on the table, no turning back.
I'll just sit over here.
No turning back from being a mermaid when you chose to be a fairy. Yeah, it's all over my coat.
I'm always the clean one.
Always the messy one. It's all over the table.
Oh!
No,
No! It's supposed to drink it!
I'm the one with the mine.
Oh!
Yeah, her sister just posted a new music clip.
Oh, whoa.
I got a really itchy nose.
Oh, it looks so good. Much better than this one.
It's coming together.
Let's get some of that.
Kinda. It's coming together.
Told you all you needed to do is knead it.
I'm playing at one of those instruments. Comment down below what they're called because I can't remember.
What is it? Oh! Yeah, I really don't
But
remember.
it doesn't come apart like this is. And it doesn't stretch like slime.
Okay, ready?
No, not yet. I'm fine. Add some.
It really helps it activate because it makes it harder.
It's not doing anything. It's just breaking.
How's it supposed to do?
Can you itch my cheek?
A
little bit to the nose. Perfect. It's coming together
Oh! Blueberry just splattered into my eye.
now. It probably looks like blue.
Why is it called blueberry when it has purple inside?
Can you hit my chest?
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go wash my arm. In a second, I need to wash my arm. Sorry, guys. I know, Ruby's really clumsy, but she's a good eye. Trust me. And why don't I like this? I really don't like this. Having slime on my arm.
Mine's coming together now. So it's coming off my hands.
Yay, and then you have to scrape it off the table with your slime. Now I have a red arm. Great.
Now I have itchy arms. Oh, great. Now I have
I'm gonna
my
play with
arms.
my overactivated slime. So snappy. It's like putty. So it goes back together.
I have an itchy ear. Can you itch my ear?
No!
Look at mine and hers. Please, I got an itchy ear. I need to itch.
Oh my god.
A little bit, but like no on the big part of my ear. Up.
I can't do it!
There. Look. I can't itch you. I don't want to get slime on me. You're not even itching me. You're just tickling me. Do I need a little bit more thumbnail?
Did you seriously add foam beads into it? Why?
Yeah, because you did.
I did
You
not.
said you would.
I said just a little bit. Anyway,
It's starting to get a little bit stickier.
I'll just let my
Like,
sit right here.
good up. Look, it's coming together.
Wow. I really didn't think it would work. Wow. Oh my god, I did that stuff.
I'll squash it. I'll mix our slimes together.
No. Why would I want your slime in it?
She's grabbing the teeth out. Or something. I don't know what she's doing. At least you get to see me properly.
Yay.
Me and not her. Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Okay, look.
Get out for a second.
Your head barely fits. And then I push you out of the way. Ready? Ready? Look. I'm so small.
And she's...
Oh. Oh, look at that. That is so
Mine's not
satisfying.
even butter.
That is satisfying.
Mine doesn't even look like a butter slime.
I literally ate butter so much that I spewed it out.
Guess what? Once I made slime and it was just normal yellow light slime, and I called it butter slime because it looked like butter.
Just get down a little bit. They can't see your face. We should get chairs.
I can't. Can you get me a chair, madame?
Madame, would you rather
Would you rather
be
a
American or
slime-
be Australian?
American?
Australian.
I would be Australian.
Would you rather be Japanese or Chinese?
Chinese.
So you would be Chinese and live in Australia.
Yeah. What would you be?
I'd rather be Japanese.
And live in America?
No, Australia.
Why?
Australia doesn't have Donald Trump. Sorry for you American kids out there. We just...
don't really like him.
Oh.
I'm sorry if Donald Trump's watching this.
I think it serious American things.
Sorry. And sorry for kids like 12-year-olds or hell. Kids are if he even has kids. I never watched the news or anything.
People say, ask me if I'm American. I'm like, no.
She says pastel and candy. I say pastel and lollies. Sometimes I say candy, but whatever. This is still not coming together that much. Well, it's come together, but it's very sticky. I need to stop doing that.
Perfect blueberry. I know what we could call these slimes.
Blueberry.
Mine's gonna be called blueberry slime.
Mine's called blue butter. Even though this is nothing like butter slime.
Mine is. Spreads like a charm.
Look at mine.
It actually spreads.
Not that well. You know, I kind of like watching those stories where people read creepy texts, but when I get that scared, I'm scared to move when I sleep. Because I get home at 3 o'clock from school, and it's I usually watch YouTube, and it's kind of like 4, because I don't usually just get home, laying on my bed and watch YouTube. Sometimes I make musicals and then watch some YouTube.
What you just put time on me? What you usually do is play Roblox.
Not anymore. I don't really like Roblox. I might delete it.
She used to ask me every single day, random, like, can Tiny play Roblox? Can Tiny play Roblox? Does Kayla or Tiny want to play Roblox with me? I started to say yes, and then I started to say no.
Yeah, Christy hates me.
No, I don't.
My hands are really...
I'm just not a fan of Roblox.
Neither am I. Because there's like no games to play, and Roblox on Royal High and stuff is real boring. Do not ask me ever to play Booga Booga. Booga Booga. Booga Booga. Booga Booga, whatever you call it.
I love Booga Booga.
I like flipping hate it.
Pineapple.
Oh, my hands are wet. I just touched my slime.
Look how long this is going for.
Oh, 33 seconds and 30 minutes. I mean, 33 seconds.
Minutes.
33 seconds.
I just got my blueberry! So I can't eat it.
She's pretty much finished, and I have like barely. Should I add?
So what are we going to have for tea tonight, Hills?
Look at my butter slime. It's not that much buttery. Look.
I dropped my blueberry on the ground. I was gonna eat it.
It's meant to be like. Don't do that. Let me have it.
Wait, I'll let me get the stuff off.
It's sticky. Why does it have to be sticky for people, and then it gets a mess again, and then I have to keep washing my hands like a million?
That happens. Everyone thinks my slime is so sticky, but then it's not even sticky.
It's usually sticky for me.
Oh, no.
Just pass it to me and go wash your hands.
It's so
Now it's sticky. Wait, this isn't like sticky at all.
Okay, ready?
It's kind of melting. This slime's like melting.
Like Instagram swirls.
Ah! I'm expectation versus reality.
No,
Okay.
when on Wish, when they take pictures, it's like this, and then when you get it,
It's like why can't
and then there's so many
Fresh.
foam beads.
Yeah, and it was like $125 for like just like a hairpiece for an LOL doll. On which? I think.
Because you can buy wigs for LOLs now.
You can.
Yeah. There's wigs to put on LOLs, and there's also
Should I add a bit more of this? Like, butter stuff? Should I add real butter?
No. This girl says it can't be butter slime without adding the actual butter. I'm like,
What are you doing? I think it's trying to do my dance thing.
she made up her own dance. To be honest,
That would get 100 million likes.
Dad, look. This crazy.
I'm not touching it.
oh look at it. This is such a good.
This is how I wash my hands.
I think it's time to look off.
No.
Why not? Like it's gone for like 36 minutes.
And I also have a 41-minute video without even knowing I was videoing. Well, I did. I kind of need to spread this a little bit without breaking it. No, don't add it in you.
Okay, let's just make you into an Instagram swirl. It's so bad. Let's just sit you down there. Then I'm just gonna play with my overactivated slime. Oh no! I want to make another slime.
We can. We still have like 1,000.
There's
Yeah.
like 2 bowls left. I'm gonna use the one I made my butter slime in. It's much cleaner.
Mine's not.
Just gonna take
I don't know
it.
why it's pink. Oh yeah. I remember now. Because this was used to be pink, but now it's blue. So it's had the purple, the blue clay.
There's a few slime lovers out there. Just
What do you mean?
slime lovers, those people who
Slime mothers.
slime people who love slime. Those slime lovers. The people who love slime, that's what I'm trying to say.
People, if you really want to make slime, I should have mentioned this at the start of the video. If you really want to make slime, do not watch this video. Like if you really want to make slime but you're never allowed, do not watch this video or else you'll probably get sad. And
That happens to me. I watch people eat such good food. I'm like, I could really use some ice cream right now.
yeah. I might add some more flume.
Actually, I'm gonna make slime in my fruit bowl.
Yeah, I think I added a little bit too much. I added too much, Tarnys.
Look. Okay, I made my bowl. Now I just have to dry it and dry my hands.
This is crunchy butter slim slime.
So I'm gonna put whatever slime I love
I
most.
have this putty, and it's kind of like a butter. It's like butter putty.
Oh, the ruby red one.
No, I got it from the Melbourne Museum on my excursion with my school. And then my friend Zara, she had little foam things. Like they're little foam things, but it's like a spider web thing when you like stretch it, sort of thing.
Oh yeah,
And I
that's
added
like.
some of that into mine. And the colours were white, blue, and orange.
Anyway, guys, I think it's time for us to go.
No.
Okay, let's do the outro.
Remember to subscribe, like, and hit that
Like button.
like button.
And don't forget to share with your friends.
I think I've already said that.
And hit that bell.
Yeah. Bye, guys.